Hi everyone. In this topic, patterns and sequences, I will be showing you how to find few consecutive terms of a sequence with a given nth term. Let's start. First example, find the first four terms of a sequence with a given nth term. A sub n equals n plus 5, where n refers to position of a term. That is a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, and a sub 4, since we're looking for the first four. Okay, let's start by finding the first term, or a sub 1. So all we need is substitute the value of n to the nth term. A sub n equals n plus 5, and then evaluate. A sub 1 equals 1 since n is 1 in the first term, plus 5 equals 6. Then 6 is the first term. Second term, or a sub 2. Since n is 2, that is 2 plus 5 equals 7. Second term is 7. Next, a sub 3. Third term, n is equal to 3 plus 5 equals 8. 8 is the third term. A sub 4, we're looking for the fourth term. Therefore, n is 4. We have 4 plus 5 equals 9. Therefore, the first four terms are 6, 7, 8, 9. Next example. Find the first 5 terms of a sequence with the given nth term. By the way, when we say nth term, it is also known as the general rule, pattern, or formula. We know already that n is the position of a term. We are looking for the first 5 terms. We have a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, a sub 5. Let us substitute the value of n to the nth term, then evaluate. First term, a sub 1 equals 3 times 1, since we're looking for the first term, minus 4 equals negative 1. Next, a sub 2, or second term, n is 2. We have 3 times 2 minus 4 equals 2. Next, third term, 3 times 3, since n is 3, minus 4 equals 5. Fourth term, or a sub 4, that is equal to 3 times 4 minus 4 is 8. And a sub 5 equals 3 times 5, since it's the fifth term, minus 4 equals 11. Therefore, the first 5 terms are negative 1, 2, 5, 8, 11. Next example. Find the 8th to 10th terms of a sequence with the given nth term. We know that n is the position of a term, and we need to look for a sub 8, a sub 9, a sub 10. We just substitute the value of n to the nth term, then evaluate. Let's start finding a sub 8 or the 8th term. A sub 8 equals 6 minus 2 times 8, since it is the 8th term, equals negative 10. A sub 9 equals 6 minus 2 times 9, because n is equal to 9, equals negative 12. And a sub 10, or the 10th term, 6 minus 2 times 10 equals negative 14. Therefore, the 8th to 10th terms are negative 10, negative 12, negative 14. Next example. Find the first 4 terms of a sequence with the given nth term a sub n equals quantity negative 3 raised to n. We know that n refers to the position of a term. Let's look for a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4. That's the first 4 terms. First term, n is equal to 1. We just substituted the value of n to the nth term. A sub n equals quantity negative 3 raised to n, then equals quantity negative 3 raised to 1 equals negative 3. Second term, a sub 2 equals quantity negative 3 squared equals, you're going to multiply the base negative 3 by itself twice. Negative 3 times negative 3 equals 9. Third term, n is 3, that is a sub 3 equals quantity negative 3 raised to 3. You're going to multiply the base negative 3 by itself thrice. We have negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 equals negative 27. Fourth term, or a sub 4, n is equal to 4. Negative 3, or quantity negative 3 raised to 4 equals negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 equals 81. Therefore, the first 4 terms are negative 3, 9, negative 27, 81. Another example. Find the first 4 terms of a sequence with the given nth term, a sub n equals negative 3 raised to n. Since n is the position of a term, let's find a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4. First term, n is equal to 1. Substitute the value of n to the nth term, then evaluate. That is negative 3 raised to 1 equals negative times 3 equals negative 3. Second term, or a sub 2, 2 is the value of n, equals negative 3 squared equals negative quantity 3 times 3 equals negative 9. Third term is negative 3 cubed equals negative times 3 times 3 times 3 equals negative 27. The fourth term, n is equal to 4, that is negative 3 raised to 4 equals negative times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals negative 81. Therefore, the first four terms are negative 3, negative 9, negative 27, negative 81. Last example, find the first three terms of a sequence with the given nth term. A sub n equals 2 all over n quantity n plus 1. N is the position of a term. We are going to look for the first three terms. That is a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3. Let's find the first term, or a sub 1. N is equal to 1. Substitute 1 to the nth term. That is 2 all over 1 quantity 1 plus 1 equals 2 over 1 times 2. That is equal to 2 over 2 equals 1. Second term, or a sub 2. 2 is the value of n. We have 2 all over 2 quantity 2 plus 1 equals 2 all over 2 times 3 equals 2 over 6. Simplify, equals 1/3. And the third term, or a sub 3, 3 is the value of n. Substitute that to the nth term. That is 2 all over 3 quantity 3 plus 1 equals 2 all over 3 times 4 equals 2 over 12. Simplify, that is equal to 1 over 6. Therefore, the first three terms are 1, 1/3, 1/6. That's it. I hope you've learned something from this. Bye!